Shalom everyone, Ate I once again. How to say in Hebrew, to fight, to argue, or to quarrel. Guys, for today's video, I will share you the conjugation of infinitive to fight, to argue, or to quarrel. In Hebrew, lariv, bonat kill. Present tense, fight, or argue. For masculine singular, rav. Ani rav. Ata rav. Hu rav. Ani rav im akshili. Ata rav im akshilka. Hu rav im akshilu. Present tense, fight, or argue. For feminine singular, rava. Ani rava. At rava. Hi rava. Ani rava im imashili. At rava im akot sila. Hi rava im akshila. Present tense, fight, or argue. For masculine plural or mixed gender, ravim. Anachnu ravim. Atem ravim. Hem ravim. Anachnu ravim im akh shilanu. Atem ravim im akshilachem. Hem ravim im akshilahem. Present tense, fight, or argue. For feminine plural, ravut. Anachnu ravut. Aten ravut. Hen ravut. Anachnu ravut im akot shilanu. Aten ravut im akot shilachen. Hen ravut im akot shilahen. Okay guys, for past tense, fought or argued. Ravti. Ravta. Ravt. Rav. Rava. Ravnu. Ravtem. Ravten. Ravu. Ravu. Okay, for future tense, will fight or will argue. Ani ariv. Ani ariv im ani chudek. Ani ariv im ani chudeket. Ata tariv. Ata tarev im ata chudek. At tarivi. At tarivi im at chudeket. Hu yarev. Hu yarev im hu chudek. Hi tarev. Hi tarev im hi chudeket. Anachnu narev. Anachnu narev im anaknu chudkim. Anachnu narev im anaknu chudkot. Atem tarivu. Atem tarivu im atem chudkim. Aten tarevna. Aten tarevna im aten chudkot. Hem yarivu. Hem yarivu im hem chudkim. hen tarevna. Hen tarevna im hen tsudkot. Okay guys, now I will give you the imperative. Imperative, fight or argue for masculine singular, riv. Imperative, fight or argue for feminine singular, revi. Imperative, fight or argue for masculine plural or mixed gender, revu. Imperative, fight or argue for feminine plural, revna. Okay guys, again, this is the end for today's video. Hope you like it. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated for upcoming videos. Guys, hamun-hamun to dali kolkem, nitrai bablugabashili, litraot.